This is an update on the progress of Villa 16, the development of 16 luxury villas here in Roque Del Conde. As you can see, they're being built in batches of 3, and the first 3 have been funded and are being constructed. We'll also take a quick look at what this development looks like from behind, a little higher up the mountain. You can see the access road has been put in, and this really is the last line of development in Roque Del Conde, and it truly does have spectacular views all across the coastline of Costa Day. I'm not sure if you can tell from this video, but it really is a quiet location, and you are very close to nature, nestled as the last row of villas under the impressive Roque Del Conde. So it's July 2021, and as you can see from this video, the first 3 villas of the Villa 16 development in Roque Del Conde are well on the way to completion. The concrete structure is nearly complete, and these units are already sold off plan. If you're interested in a similar unit to the right or the left of this one, construction will start once the next 3 units have been sold.